Alright, so now that we've got our settings set on the feed screw and our chuck speed, we are going to set up our machine and zero everything up. So we're going to turn this on. We're going to drive the bit into the workpiece until it just touches and starts to make a groove. Now from there, we're going to take our cross slide and we're going to take this to 0 so that we always come back to our 0 point. Alright, so we're right at 0, right there. Now, if I back up and I go back to 0, I should be right in that exact same spot. Now, what we need to do then is if I go back to 0 and I go just past, I can't have that. I can't just back up to 0. I have to go back at least 50 thousandths and then come back. The reason being is there is backlash. There's nothing happening right now. So if I go past 0, I need to back all the way up and then come back to 0 to find my setting. So, come back over, recheck, find our 0. There's 0, back out, come over, set to 0. Every time this is most important 0. Now we've got our compound rest set at 30 degrees or 29. We're going to turn this in 4 thousandths for each cut. And we're going to watch our thread cutting dial. And we're going to stop and engage the half nut at the same number every time. So let's take lucky number 5 today. Lucky number 5, we come over, we watch the threads, we cut. It should cut 13 threads per inch. It doesn't matter what diameter. Take my cross slide, back it out, come over, bring it into 0, advance my compound rest 4 thousandths, and we should be back. Lucky number 5 is coming around the bend. And we're engage the half nut. Make sure you engage the half nut all the way. There's lucky number 5. And it should follow the exact same pattern. Now the goal is we keep continuing this thread cutting until we start to get the threads to form a sharp point at the top. After that, we can finish it off with a die, or we can check it with an actual nut. So this procedure will take probably another 6 to 10 times until those threads start to become sharp. Again, always at 0. If we go past, we got to back up. We got to remove the backlash. So always at 0. This is the most important setting. Compound rest in 4 thousandths per cut. Engage the half nut at the same number every time. That would just be no issues.